Want to save a Zoom meeting for later review? Here's how to record your Zoom meetings with just one click. Once you're in the meeting, look for the record button in the bottom toolbar. Click it to start recording instantly. If you're the host or co-host, you'll have the power to record. Attendees usually can't unless you give them permission. While recording, you'll see a small red recording indicator in the top left of your screen. Need to pause or stop? Just hit the pause or stop recording anytime from the toolbar. Once the meeting ends, Zoom will convert and save the video to your computer, usually in a Documents or Zoom folder. Record it, replay it, and never miss a detail again. Hit the like button if you ever zoned out in a meeting, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.